Hey, I'm Jeremiah from E&S. I'm here at OK Tire in the Comox Valley. And I'm the front counter here is Eric, and Eric's going to be a hand model for the day, right? Yeah. So what he's got here in his hands is you receive in the what's called s.a.m stick in a box. I'll pull that open real quick. And got Tom's Guide Hardware of the Year Award in the U.S. So here's what we're doing is we're going to use this to put digital signage up behind Eric here. So there's a quick start guide, and the materials and supplies are: this is a modem to run it over cellular. This is a female-to-female HDMI adapter to plug it into an HDMI cable. This is another cable that you'd use if you just want to plug it in short to the back of the screen. We're not going to use that one in this demo here. This is what's called the s.a.m stick holder, so this holds everything into place. And this is the computer that got Tom's Guide hardware recommended in the US. So it's one of the fastest fanless devices, form factors. It's a full-on Intel-based computer that on the back of it, it actually has networking there. It has Wi-Fi, it has audio. On the side it has USB 2.0, 3.0. It uses just a standard 5-volt 2-amp little plug-in like for an Android phone. So it's simplicity for electrical. You can see on the front there's an HDMI cable. And then on the other side over here, if you need more memory, in this case you won't, but you can. So let's put it all together. So you want to take the s.a.m stick holder. You can see there's a little lock tab, but you can pop it out too if you don't want to use the lock tab. Okay, perfect. This actually gets 3D printed here on the Comox Valley. So there you go. It's ready to install, and you basically then take the female-to-female HDMI adapter and plug it in. That locks it into place. And then grab your HDMI cable. There. So try jostling that around. Try breaking it. It's just jostle it, and yeah, that's in there good enough. It's going to stay, right? Yep. That's awesome. So now the last thing you do is apply power. There's actually the power on the side. There's a power block in there, and that's the entire install. Now some places are a little more challenging for networking. You know, they can't run over Wi-Fi or hardwired, so that's what this is for. So that's why on the side here you can see there's a plug-in as well. Do that. So that runs it over cellular data, and that's the entire install out of the box. Pretty simple, eh?
Very easy.
Thanks for being a hand model. Thank you, sir. Now we're going to install it behind the screen there, and that's the digital sign installation.
Fantastic.
Thank you.